Hi guys, it's Richard from Hunt IT doing i3M videos. Stick around, you might learn something. Okay, so this is Microsoft Excel and I'm going to show you how to do some very basic sums. So Excel is laid out pretty much like any other Microsoft Office application. Up here is the ribbon and then down below is a work area. The Excel work area is a grid that can be turned into matrices that store data and calculations. So, to do sums, I need to create a data matrix. To do that, I just need to put some pretty simple random numeric values in the work area. Okay, so now that we've got some values to play around with, I'm going to go up here to C1 and we're going to do a sum. So in order to do a sum, all you need to do is start by hitting the equals key, and then you can select a cell such as A1, and then from there we can hit the plus key. And then if we click on B1 and then press enter, it automatically calculates the value of the two cells together. We can change this number if we want to, and it will auto-update the sum. And in C2 I'm going to do something similar, except this time I'm going to do a subtraction. It's the same basic logic though. Hit the equals key, click on A2, do the minus sign, click on B2, and then there we go. You can see we got the negative sum done. Again, if we wanted to, we could change these values and it will automatically update. Okay, C3 now. We're going to actually do a division in this one, so equals A3 divided by B3. There we go, we get the division. Now again, last one, equals A4 times B4, press enter, that gives us the actual multiplication. It's that simple. We update any of these values, we change any of them, those sums will now automatically calculate. Okay, so that's it, some really basic skills in Microsoft Office. Stick around for more tutorials. I'm going to build you up to get some really advanced skills going on. Remember to like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much, Richard from Hunt IT.